This channel made over 100K last year, and this video hit over 1 million views within 48 hours, which means 3K in just 2 days. That's right. The best part about it is it's all been done by AI. Simple storytelling YouTube channels bring 100K in extra passive income a year? It's a great deal to me. This is exactly how you can do it too. Choose a name that reflects the theme or content of your channel. It should give viewers an idea of what they can expect from your videos. You can use ChatGPT. The next step is to write a script. Go to ChatGPT and write, for example, a short story about a boy who went to the gym. ChatGPT will generate a perfect script for you. Next is voiceover. For this, you can use text-to-speech. When using TTS services or software, consider factors such as voice quality, language support, customization options, and licensing restrictions. Additionally, keep in mind that the availability and features of these resources may vary, so it's recommended to explore different options and choose the one that best fits your needs. Video editing is the next step. Choose video editing software. Select a video editing software that suits your needs and skill level. Popular options include Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, iMovie for Mac, DaVinci Resolve, and HitFilm Express. Consider factors like features, user interface, and compatibility with your computer. Remember that video editing software is a creative process, and these steps serve as a general guide. Explore the features and capabilities of your chosen editing software. Watch tutorials and experiment to develop your own style and proficiency over time. Review and publish. Before publishing, review your video details, settings, and any additional elements you've added. Preview the video and ensure everything looks and sounds as intended. Once you're satisfied, click the publish button and make your video live on YouTube. Share and promote. After publishing, share your video on social media, embed it in your website, or promote it through other channels to increase visibility and reach a wider audience. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and promoting your video through your channel and other platforms. Remember that while AI can assist in various aspects of your YouTube channel, it's important to maintain a balance and incorporate your own creative input and expertise. Building a successful YouTube channel requires consistent effort, engaging content, and a genuine connection with your audience.